Let's say your home was built in the 1980s and a fire damages half of it. Good news, your insurance covers the repairs. But wait, building codes have changed a lot since the 80s. Now you're being told a whole roof has to be redone, or your electrical system needs a major upgrade to meet current code. Surprise, those extra costs? Not always covered by a standard policy. That's where ordinance or law coverage comes in. It helps pay the difference between rebuilding your home as it was and rebuilding it the way it has to be now. Without it, you could be stuck paying out of pocket just to meet modern requirements. It's one of those hidden gaps people don't find out about until it's too late. And here's the kicker. Even if only part of your home is damaged, local laws might require you to tear down and rebuild even more than expected. That's why reviewing your coverage now, before something happens, can save you major headaches and bills later. Want to make sure you're not rebuilding your home with 1980s rules? Let's talk. Old-fashioned service, modern convenience. That's Joyce Insurance.